Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Days to come. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Auntie. God bless you more. Stay healthy. God bless.
Hi, Ante! Kamusta? Happy birthday! Pangamuyo lang ako ng Auntie Permi para sa inyo ay baskog nga lawas. Kag permi na akong ginapangabay nga sana tawan pakitat abo nga blessing. Kag abo nga birthday nga maabot para sa imo. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Happy 68th birthday, Dean. Wishing you a very happy birthday and a year ahead filled with good health, happiness, and all the best things in life. It's high time now to retire from work and living life to the fullest. Let's share more time with our grandchildren and families to build lasting memories and strengthen family relationships. Enjoy your special day and God bless.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. More and more birthdays to come. Always good health and strong. May God bless you always. Happy birthday, Toto.
Hello, Ate Ludi. Happy birthday po. Wishing you a good health, more strength, many more birthday to come po, and happy family.
Hello, Ma'am Ludi. Happy birthday po, ma'am. Si Terence po to from YHF Timber. Have a happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lola! Gusto ko magkanta sa'yo pero sa happy birthday. Sandali lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Wow! Ang ganda ang mukha mo sa lahat. Hindi ko interpret sa Tagalog, so I'll say it in English. You are amazing, and I hope you have a lovely birthday, and you keep being an amazing person. Salamat po. Gusto mabuti ang gabi mo.
Hi La! Greetings po from your Nanjalanta po. Siyempre, special day niyo na po. And I wanted to greet you a happy birthday! Happiest birthday to my youngest Lola! Of course, all I could always wish for is maging healthy po kayo, away from any kind of sickness, maging happy every day, and of course, mag-enjoy na po kayo sa pagta-travel. Ayun lang La.
Smiling.
Mabisaya ka na?
Ane! Happy birthday! Ha? Punta ka dito para masaya tayo. Ayan. Ano ba?
Tapon. Tungit tayo.
Tungit tayo.
Ano pa? Padala ka pa tungit.
Para sa nag-iisang ina, Lola, Gia, Boss, at ang iisang Latina ang buhat. Maraming salamat sa iyong buhay, and welcome to your retiring era. God bless you, and let's enjoy our life with you, your apo, your anak, and everyone else. Latina buhat, you're the best.